myself at all. Molly dear, Molly dear, I am not myself at all. Nothing caring, nothing knowing, 'tis after you I'm going. Faith, your shadow I am growing, Molly dear. And I'm not myself at all. The other day I went confessing, asked the Father for his blessing, but says I don't give it all to me entirely. For I've read it so last year, and but half of me is here, so give the other half some Molly Brierly. Oh, I'm not myself at all. Oh, I'm not myself at all. Molly dear, Molly dear, my appetite is small. I once could eat a goose, now my buttons are no use. Faith, my tightest coat hangs loose, Molly dear. And I'm not myself at all. If thus it is I waste, you had better, dear, make haste before your lover's gone away entirely. If you do not change your mind, not a bit of me you'll find. And what would you think of that, Molly Brierly? Oh, I'm not myself at all. Oh, my shadow on the wall, Molly dear, Molly dear, is not myself at all. For I've grown so very thin that I scarcely seem to be him, that some pretty girl so slim, Molly dear. And I'm not myself at all. If as I smaller grow, all from fretting, dear, for you, 'tis you should make up the deficiency, so that Father'd have declare you my own and rightful share. You will not be worse for the addition, see. Oh, I'm not myself at all, Molly dear, Molly dear, till you my own I call. Since the change in me there came, so you might as well change name, and it all would be the same. But would all be just the same. For if you and I were one, all confusion would be gone, and it would simplify the matter entirely, and it would save us bother when we both be one another. So listen now to reason